Okay, I'm at the Shallotte River where Brian and Tina have their catamaran at the welding shop. Nice people here, very nice people. This is such a beautiful spot. You can see the quietness of the water. I'm going to pass over the boat quickly. You can go over this way. They have this long dock they can walk on. Beautiful day. And here's their beautiful boat. They're in the process of restoring. Hi, mateys. How you doing?
Ahoy, mate.
Yeah, okay. So what are we doing this morning?
Oh, we've had an abundant breakfast.
Breakfast, okay.
We're thinking about kayaking.
Oh, yes, that's right. We have the, we got background noise. That's not good. So I'll have to speak louder. So this is our kayak, and I'm thinking about getting one too. Pretty heavy. I'm kind of impressed with it. Looks good. There's our seat. It came with the seat, the bag too?
Yeah.
Bag and pump and the paddles. God, I'm excited. So there is something hard on the bottom because it feels heavy, or what is it?
No,
just extra air? Extra air. But it looks good. Okay, so where does everybody come from?
East Bend, North Carolina.
Okay, East End, North Carolina, and that's Tina, or Rosemary, whatever I plan to call her. And there's Tina's mother, Jean, and here's Morris. This is your father then?
Yes.
So father, mother, and grandmother. What's grandmother's name?
Peggy.
Peggy.
Angel.
What is it?
Peggy Angel.
Peggy Angel. Yeah, their last name is Angel and Smith. And here's my new friend, Kay, who is driving me crazy. She is so athletic, I can't believe it. What all do you do, Kay, for athletics?
Walk, bike, kayak, raise a glass to my face.
And there's Brian, the captain. So, Brian, how often are you going to come down and work on your boat?
Yeah, at least once a month.
Good, good. Be good to see you. So here's our coffee table arrangement, and we're having our breakfast on this beautiful day here on the Shallotte River. Everyone should be this lucky.